Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is from. Feels like cross stitch, and it is. Turn this over here. All right, this is from GBFkE, and the first one is a 50 by 50, and it was $16.15. And this is one of the ones I'll be throwing away because they will not come clean. What a shame. This is a 16 count. I wanted a 16 count. And it's awfully dark. And I will show you the picture. It's little birds. You do have some light area up in here, which I would really worry about if you were going to decide to go ahead and do this. It's just such a shame. Yeah, I wouldn't even suggest purchasing this. The pattern is very, very small. You'd have to blow it up. And it does have 40 colors. Yeah, I'm just a little perturbed at these 16 and 18 counts. Does come with an instruction sheet. And it comes with a toolkit with 5 needles, poof ball, and thimble. Yeah, I'm pretty upset. It is very nicely printed, and it's a lot easier to see than your 18 count, but yeah, if this ink is not going to come off, then it's kind of useless to me. So I'm not advocating for those at all. I don't know how many more 16 or 18 counts I bought or got, you know, to do a review on, but yeah. It does have lots and lots of thread. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, well, and 5 hanks of 939, which I can put to use at other projects. So 154, 823. It's not that bright like royal blue. It's more of a dark navy. And this beautiful teal. So I'm sure I'll find something to use for it. Yeah. That 939 would be nice to do a one of those samplers that are like single color. Maybe even one of those black samplers. Gorgeous, gorgeous threads, which I will save just in case I need it for another project. I'll go through and write all the DMC numbers. But yeah, gorgeous colors. It's a shame. It really is. I'm not having it, but yeah. So until they fix that, and if they do, and they advertise that they do fix it, I will let you know, and then we'll be back to buying them or getting them again. Okay, this next one is an 11 count. And it's one of the Tai Chi's. It was $9.69, and I think it's a 40 by 40. So this will, this one I will do. Now we'll put the picture right here. It's 2 koi. They are so pretty. Look at that blue and all those teals and reds and golds. So yeah, this is the koi. It does come with an instruction page on how to start, how to finish. We've all seen those several thousand times. It does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. And let's take a look at the, well, let's look at the paper pattern. Paper pattern is very nice. Very easy to see the symbols. It has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It's 147 by 147. It's a very nice size. This does not look, it has some confetti sprinkled around. It's not going to be that way without, you know, your definition and all your shading is not going to be that way unless you have a little bit of confetti. But it does not look too terribly, terribly bad. So, I've had worse. This has 310 black, 550 purple, 823 dark blue, no 939, no 3371, and no 3865. So yeah, I can hardly wait to start on this because of the colors. And your needle thing has puppy dogs, but you really can't see them because they're kind of lightweight. We'll put that up there. I keep throwing those in. I keep all my Tai Chis together if I can. You know, I think I've got 4 in one big bag so far. So yeah, I'm saving my other big bags for the same thing because I've got about 12 of these coming. See what we got here, if I can get it out of the baggie. So, looks like 310 black. 310 black. Since there was no 939, so there's 3 skeins. That's 120 strands of 310 black. There's 40 in each. But look at these bright, vivid, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. We've got teals and greens and browns. And yellows, and pinks, and reds. Bright red. I'm not sure what that color is, for sure. But lots more teals. It's going to be gorgeous. It is. It just, yeah. I can hardly wait to start this one. Yeah. Roll that all back up, but isn't that gorgeous? They'll be lovely together. And the canvas here is serged all the way around. And the same product number and how big it is and how many squares per square is on the bottom of this. Paper pattern on this one will match the canvas. It has 40 colors. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and this one seems a little bit smaller than some of the others. I think the others, I don't know, they might have been 50 by 50, but I guess they're not. I just haven't pulled it out in a day or two, so. Okay, it's 39.5 centimeters that way. And let's see here, 41 centimeters this way. Actual picture size is 13.25 inches or 33.5 centimeters by 34.5 centimeters or little over 13.5 inches. So they're not very big. The background is going to be the big thing. Yeah, because that's where all that 310 black is going to go, wherever it's blue. But yeah, it's just beautiful. I love these. Yeah, loved them so much that I think I have all the ones that I want. There are others, and at different stores, they all have their own, you know, selection, if you will. So, do check them out. I think they're beautiful. They have them in animals. They have them in, like, scenery. Let's say spring and summer, or I'm just using that as an example. Or they have like lotus blossoms, or just whatever, you know. I mean, there's probably close to 25 of these that, you know, I've been collecting. And some look like they're, like this one is the two animals, and it looks close to what an animal would look like. Some are more realistic than others, and then others look like they were actually carved by wood, but they're in, you know, light and dark. So, yeah, very nice. I love these things. Love them. We'll be starting that soon. So, that is all I got from GBFkE. Thank you, GBFkE, for the two beautiful kits. Except for the 16 count, I'm boycotting. Now, that's just me. The ink, from what I understand, the ink on the 16 and the 18 counts does not come out. And if you have a light thread, it's going to show the, you know, all the squares and stuff behind it. Yeah, especially in this corner. That's about the only thing that I've got against all this. The rest of it's going to be beautiful. I just, kills me. It just absolutely kills me. So, I don't know. I have no idea. But all I know is that this stuff will not come out. And, yeah. I think I've only gotten, you know, like 3 or 4 18 counts. And then this is the first, I believe, 16 count that I've gotten. And it's a shame. It's just a shame. Because it's nicely serged all the way around. Nice grid. And this is way easier to see than the others. The 18 count. So, yeah. Okie dokie. So now you know. Now, GBFkE does have cross stitch, diamond painting, and I don't know if they have paint by number, but they have tools and crafts for both the diamond painting and cross stitch. They have lots of them. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section. And let's see. If they have any kind of special, I will put it in the description box below. And they do have free shipping on orders over $50. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.